It's back to this old shed project. I've taken a couple of days off from it for several reasons. Painting my bedroom, and took Mom out a couple days ago. Had some lunch with her girlfriend, her bestie. That was nice. And just doing some other stuff around the house, not the shed project. But it's coming. I didn't take a lot of video the other day when I was working, just because I wanted to get it done. So I've got the rafters up. I had to replace those rafters and that roof because it was completely rotten. And I've got the overhang ready to go and the platform for the firewood. So pretty simple day. I'm going to use some of the old lumber that I had that I took off the shed, and I'm going to use that on the roof and close it up. I've got some roofing paper too, so hope to get that on and keep the rain off. Alrighty. Get these caps. They go on the roofing paper and keep the rain out. At least that's the plan. Alright, time to put the roof on. Well, first layer of it anyway. Cap and pencil. I know it's backwards, but it says 12:28. My goal was to get the roof on by lunchtime, or by noon this morning, and it's on. Well, at least the felt. I think I might try reusing that metal roof that was on it before, just to give it more of a authentic old look. There are some holes in it, so I'm going to see if it's usable. If not, I don't know if I'll do shingles or a metal roof or what, but yeah, making progress. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, if it applies. Winding up the shed project. I wanted to get it done on this Father's Day. Hopefully Dad's looking down and approving. I got a new floor in. Also stacked the firewood in here. I put the metal roof on the side here. That's going to be on the last part. Right now I'm working on the door. I took the door off early on, and it really wasn't made all that well. This should be one board. Instead, it's two boards, so I'm going to try to get those off. The screws are pretty rusty, And I'm going to put a cross piece in there too to make the door stronger. I'm going to put the door on the roof, kind of clean up the yard. Fini! I hope. She may not be pretty, but it's pretty good. It turned out all right. I'm happy with it. It's everything's not square. You can see the door is kind of out of whack here. That's okay. I mean, it is what it is. Everything was out of square when I started. It's level, and it's good enough. It's gonna last a long time. I covered over the pressure treated wood that was showing with some old lumber that I had, and so it looks authentically old. I'm gonna, I don't know if you saw, the glass is gone. I'm gonna replace that fairly soon and reglaze it. I'll show you inside. Storage in here, the lawnmower, and I've got my jarts in there, and garden implements here. So it's functional. I've got the roofing paper underneath the metal. I was able to salvage and repurpose the roof, and it looks good. I mean, it looks old. I didn't want to put a brand new roof on there necessarily, because I would have looked out of character. I reused most of the wood that I took off and denailed. People have asked, well, wouldn't it have been easier, like some friends of mine, to build a new shed? Just working with old lumber, taking nails out. I covered the pressure treated here too with an old log or old board. Stacked the firewood in there. So yeah, it would have been easier because I could have started with, you know, a good foundation, everything square and plumb and level and all that stuff. But I reused a lot of the lumber, and it's going to be a good wood storage, nice and dry, convenient to the backyard for a fire pit. And I'm going to clean up all this junk tomorrow. But it's 5 o'clock on Sunday, and you know what 5 means. Yeah. Happy hour. Happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. Hope you like it, Dad.